This is chess. This is also chess. This is ChessUp. No matter your chess level, ChessUp will level up your game. ChessUp is a smart chessboard with a built-in chess instructor that lights up all possible moves according to strength. If you never played chess, ChessUp will teach you. You just touch a piece and the board lights all its possible moves. If you already know how to play, ChessUp will teach you how to really play. Sacrifices, endgames, forks, defenses. ChessUp knows them all. The AI reads the board and shows you all possible moves with each piece you choose. The levels of assist are chosen by the player. The more advanced you are, the more advanced the assist. If you're a beginner, ChessUp will just distinguish between blunders and non-blunders. So, you don't lose your queen on your third move. As your level gets higher, ChessUp will distinguish between bad moves, good moves, excellent moves, and the best move. Whatever the level, choosing which move to play is up to you. ChessUp assists, it doesn't play for you. Even masters can learn from ChessUp. Chess is all about learning and recalling the different moves. As you experience high-level games with ChessUp, the highest level moves are sprinkled into the play, and from there, into your game. In short, playing with ChessUp is play, study, and testing all rolled together. Then there's online play. ChessUp is the perfect combination of online and on-board. As you play, your opponent's moves are highlighted on the board. You can play just for game's sake, or you can play for rating. Of course, in a rated game, the assist is not available. Sorry, cheaters. After you finish a game, do a deep analysis of your play in our app. You can even reload past games to the board and explore a different line against the AI. Want to know why a specific move was suggested? Press the app's Learn button and learn the AI's foresight. Want to play a fast game? Bring it on. ChessUp's designated clock, combined with the board's ability to sense the pieces, allows you to play quick games, blitz, bullet, with the clock stopping automatically after every move. You just focus on playing. The people behind ChessUp really love chess. That's why they created ChessUp with weighted pieces and a wood-grain surface, so the tech won't interfere with the beloved feel of the board. They also have chess lunchboxes, but that's beside the point. So whether you're a beginner who wants to learn the game, or you're a chess enthusiast who wants to go deeper into the world of this game, get ChessUp and level up.